Welcome back again to Kahuna Trading. This video is looking at multiple pairs, so I'm going to have to stop the video since we're doing it on simulation here, but we'll at least we'll be able to crank the market up here. So here's Euro. Let's just let it run a little bit here. Here's the Euro M15 time frame. I won't comment too much because we're not actually going to take any trades on this video. We're just going to observe here a little bit. Primarily, we're looking at where support and resistance are. Typically, they're between these two zones, but there's all kinds of in between. I'm trying to adjust the screen so you can see how things are hitting. I could slow it down, but I think it's kind of dramatic when you see how many times things actually are continuing to be hit time after time after time after time. So I'd say that's a pretty good example for we seem to hit the gray line again. Now God only knows what's going to happen when this becomes popular, and Mr. Market may not be happy about this development, which I'm sorry, but we're just trying to figure things out here, and things may adjust, but we shall see as time goes on how accurate we remain. Now that's always the problem with such systems, but this isn't really a system. It's really awareness about market activity, and it's not telling you exactly what to do, it's just showing you where the market currently resides. Okay, there we are, back to the white line, the gray line, again, and again. Okay, that's probably good for Euro. And okay, let's see, where do we go? Well, hold on. Where did it go up here? Now things have adjusted a little bit, but this is the trouble with things flying along so fast. We don't have time to really take an exact assessment of things at this speed. Sorry, I'm trying to give you as much as I can here so you can see what's up. The thing I wanted to point out about where the market's flying along up and down and outside of here is that how many times have you seen there it is, there's a little tiny bit. Wow. Now that was just for how long? Very short. That one giant Maribozu candle, right? That's where the market actually did crash past the furthest line. It's really rare for us to get out past here. But this market's pretty bearish, and so we're seeing some pretty intense bearish activity here. I think that's one of the first times I've ever seen the white line go below the purple line at the very outside here. It's pretty rare, and you notice we've come back quite a ways here. Okay, so well, that's 5 minutes of Euro. We'll grab another pair and we'll be right back. We're back. We're now on UJ. USD JPY. M15 time frame. Kahuna EA will recognize any forex pair and will work appropriately with whichever forex pair you present to it. So just demonstrating here, just letting it run a bit. UJ. Gray line, providing support. Again. Again. Not always. So be careful. No promises here. These are not trading suggestions. This is just support and resistance, updated tick by tick. Sometimes. There we go. We went past. Going a white line. We can. That's when we need to have some reserve. Significant reserve available to adjust our trades. But before we make any trades, we definitely want to assess market sentiment, which we have not done here looking at the euro or UJ. So that's something that you have to do through your favorite system, whatever that is for you. This is just to complement your system here. So that's a couple minutes of running on the M15, the USDJPY. Should give you an idea how accurate Kahuna-M15 is. Okay, we'll take a pause again. And the last one, AUUSD. AUDUSD. Let's take a look at that one for now. Try to keep this short. Everybody's on the M15 time frame. Aussie dollar. Tighten it up here so see a little bit better how things are working. I'll slow it down here just for a tad here, just if you want to see some detail. The fast speed is kind of cool when you see things flying by, but it's actually a little more interesting to watch in real time, a little slower to the way the market actually is working. It's kind of hard to tell that when it's flying along really fast. The most important thing is this candle. You know, these other ones, it's important, like they tend to gravitate towards some of the current lines, but see, this is what's important right here. Hold on. Okay, we're back. I'm going to fire it back up here, and basically we're at a different spot here. I had an interruption here, and so we kind of lost track of where we were here because this kept running forever. So, oh, I think what we were doing is we were just watching it run at a somewhat slower pace here. It's quite a candle here. You notice where we started from here. And we've actually gone beyond here a little bit, which is kind of rare, so I'll tell you what. And just for now, oh, we don't even have any lines here. It's pretty rare to be this far afield here from everything. So I'm going to say, let's put a, well, here, we'll do another line just so we have that color and we don't have to redo it. I don't want to waste any of your time here, but let's see, we'll put our Marty out here, and we'll put our order in somewhere in here, and we're going to go short here, and we're going to put our Marty way outside here because we don't want to add anything until price changes considerably. I'm going to fire the market back up here, and we'll let it run faster. Try to get everybody all kind of careful here. We want to keep the Marty outside there. We want it a long way from home there. We'll put our stop here, and we'll keep the stop pretty far out there too. And I wasn't going to do any trades on this one, but since it was so extreme, you know, everyone gets all excited when there's a big candle. Oh, it means there's a big bullish thing going on, but maybe. Now, we didn't add anything to this trade yet, right? We just, there we go, we're in the money now. Now we're at the bottom here at the gray, so we could have taken profit in there. Probably not a lot of profit, but oh, here we go. See, now it's kicking in. So okay, let's just pause for a sec. How did we do here? 94.35 basically. 94.11. Somewhere around here, 14. So it's about 20 pips in there. So that one worked out. So I'm not going to spend too much time on all of this here now. Basically, the idea of this video was to just show how it works with different pairs, and we can call up any pair you like, and our Kahuna will recognize it, and it will respond appropriately. So anyway, that was the point of this video. We'll try to keep it shorter than the ones we've been doing. Okay? So I think we got that across, and should be good. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, Kahuna.